10 Ultimate Folding Knives for Survival and Self-Defense. Shadow Edge Benchmade. First up, the Shadow Edge Benchmade. You've probably heard the name, but let me ask you, does it live up to the hype? With its sleek, tactical design and high-performance CPM S30V steel blade, the Shadow Edge offers a level of sharpness and durability that's almost too good to be true. Whether you're using it for everyday carry or facing a dire situation, this blade can cut through almost anything with ease. And the locking mechanism, absolutely solid, ensuring it won't fold when you need it most. But here's the catch. This isn't your lightweight, easy-to-forget knife. It's on the heavier side, which means if you're carrying it daily, it's going to add a little bulk. Imagine reaching for your knife in a tight situation, only to realize you're carrying a weighty tool that's not easy to deploy fast. Still, its ruggedness and edge retention make it an ideal choice for those who prioritize strength and security. Can you handle the weight of knowing this knife is there when it counts the most? Ghost Fang Kershaw. Next, we have the Ghost Fang Kershaw. This blade looks like it came straight out of an action movie, doesn't it? But don't judge a book by its cover. While it's definitely a looker with its unique, almost sinister design, the Ghost Fang is a powerhouse in self-defense. Featuring a razor-sharp tanto blade and Kershaw's signature speed-safe technology, this knife opens with lightning speed, giving you the tactical advantage when it matters most. It's compact, fast, and razor-sharp. But here's the kicker. It's not the best for long-term heavy-duty tasks. It's designed for quick access and close-quarters defense. If you're thinking about using it for bushcraft or anything that requires a lot of strength, you might be disappointed. But for quick strikes and self-defense, this is your go-to. Will you be ready when every second counts? Silent Talon Spyderco. What's more terrifying than silence when you're under threat? The Silent Talon Spyderco is just that, deadly quiet and incredibly efficient. The first thing you'll notice about this folding knife is its smooth, almost stealth-like opening action. It's a Spyderco, so you know it's got that signature quality, but the Silent Talon takes it up a notch with its ergonomic handle that fits your hand like it was custom-made for it. The VG10 stainless steel blade delivers an excellent edge that's perfect for defensive slashes or cutting through tough material in an emergency. But don't be fooled, this knife's purpose isn't for heavy tasks. The fine tip can break, bend, or dull quicker if you push it too hard. If you're in a survival situation, you'll want to make sure this blade stays sharp for those critical moments. Can you trust a knife that's built for finesse when the situation calls for brute force? Phantom Claw Gerber. The Phantom Claw Gerber. This is the knife that's both practical and menacing. With its aggressive design and extremely sharp edge, this blade is built for one thing: to defend. It opens with a smooth flick and locks into place with a satisfying click. The stainless steel blade is perfect for precision cuts, and with its D10 handle, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. Here's the problem. It's designed specifically for defensive situations, meaning it's not the best all-around knife. Sure, it's perfect for self-defense, but if you're looking for a utility blade to carve wood or cut through thick rope, this might not be the one you'd reach for first. But when your safety is on the line, there's no beating the Phantom Claw in close quarters combat. Wouldn't you want a blade ready to strike when every second is precious? Iron Fang TRit. Moving on to the Iron Fang CRKT, a knife that lives up to its name. The Iron Fang is built tough, with a rugged design that feels as strong as it sounds. With a dual-purpose blade that's both sharp and heavy-duty, the Iron Fang is perfect for a variety of tasks. The blade is made from 8K13 Moog steel, which balances durability and sharpness, ideal for self-defense and general outdoor use. The pivot system ensures smooth action, but here's the twist. The design is a bit too aggressive for everyday carry. With its bold, jagged handle and heavy steel frame, it might not be the most discreet knife. It's built for strength, but are you willing to carry a knife that stands out so much? In a survival situation, will the Iron Fang be the tool you need, or is it just a little too much for everyday use? Venom Strike Cold Steel. When it comes to tactical knives, cold steel has been in the game long enough to know what works. Enter the Venom Strike. If you're looking for a folding knife that's not only tactical but can also serve as a lifesaver, this one should be on your radar. It's designed with self-defense in mind, featuring a unique tanto blade that's perfect for piercing through tough materials. The Venom Strike comes with a triad lock for extra security, ensuring that it won't fold on you during a critical moment. The handle is rugged, with textured grips that provide full control even in wet conditions. But there's one thing that might hold you back: its weight. It's not the lightest knife out there, And when you're carrying it around for hours, that extra weight can become noticeable. The question is, can you sacrifice a little comfort for superior defense? In a life or death situation, that answer might be easier than you think. Steel Talon Zero Tolerance. Next up, the Steel Talon Zero Tolerance. If you want a knife that blends high performance with sleek design, this one might just blow your mind. Known for its military-grade titanium and S35VN steel blade, the Zero Tolerance is built to last. It's fast, reliable, and tough enough to handle whatever you throw at it. Whether it's slicing through rope or defending yourself from an attacker, the Steel Talon is smooth, almost too smooth. It opens with such ease that you might forget just how sharp the blade is until you see it cut through almost anything. The problem? Its size. This knife isn't exactly pocket-sized, and in a close-quarters situation, its larger size could get in the way when you need to make a fast move. Is that extra strength worth it when every second counts? Viper Claw SOG. Let's talk about the Viper Claw SOG, an edgy, compact folding knife that feels like a small sword. Designed for both utility and defense, the Viper Claw features a partially serrated blade that can handle a wide range of tasks. It's sleek, easy to carry, and opens with a swift flick. But here's the kicker. While it's great for slicing and light-duty tasks, the Viper Claw isn't ideal for heavy-duty survival needs. If you're in a survival scenario where you need to chop, cut, or do serious work, you might find yourself wishing you had a bigger blade. But for those who need something quick and sharp for self-defense, this blade could be just what you need. How quickly can you deploy a knife that's perfect for self-defense, but not so much for the heavy stuff? Night Fang Buck. Now, let's dive into the Night Fang Buck. This knife doesn't just look menacing, it acts menacing. The Night Fang combines a high-performance blade with a robust, ergonomic handle for maximum control. The 420 HC stainless steel blade holds an edge well and opens smoothly with a thumb stud. But here's the rub. It's a little bulky for some people's taste. The larger handle might not be as comfortable for long periods of use, and in certain survival scenarios, its weight could be a disadvantage. But in a self-defense situation, that extra size translates into more power and control. Wouldn't you want that extra control when things get heated? Storm Blade Openel. Finally, the Storm Blade Openel. Now, this one is a little different. It's not your typical tactical blade. It's a folding knife with a classic French design, but don't let the simplicity fool you. The Storm Blade is surprisingly versatile, with a sharp carbon steel blade that holds an edge incredibly well. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and opens with Opinel's signature ViroBlock locking system. It's not necessarily built for combat, but for everyday utility and survival situations, it can hold its own. Just be careful, because it's lighter and more compact. It's not designed for the heavy-duty tasks you might need in extreme survival conditions. But in a pinch, it's a reliable, sharp blade. Can you trust simplicity when needed most? Which knife you trust to keep you safe when things go south? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to catch the next part, where we'll dive deeper into more knives you need on your radar. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.